Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to hide as an object in Meccha Chameleon. So if you want better hiding spots, instead of just using walls, just follow along. First, look around the map and find objects with interesting shapes. Furnitures, decorations, and random items can be better hiding spots because seekers may ignore them. Next, use the paint tool to match the object's color. And after that, choose a pose that makes your body look like a part of the object. And make sure your position makes sense. And do not hide somewhere where the object would normally never appear. The best disguises are the ones that look natural. So that was how to hide as objects in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.